You don't love your commute. Crowded trains, frightening bike lanes, agonizing delays. Meet Spectra, the smartest, safest, and smallest personal vehicle ever made.
Like you, we think commuting is a drag. So we went looking for the perfect personal vehicle that is fast, fun, and safe to ride. An electric skateboard? The fun ones are huge. The smaller ones were hard to learn, and none of them delivered the intelligence, stability, and smoothness that a spare-time skater could confidently ride. We realized that the ultimate everyman skateboard simply didn't exist. So we invented it.
Backed by the investors who innovated drone technology, powered by the same battery type as a Tesla, Spectra is the world's first and only board equipped with an ever-learning 3D posture control algorithm. That means you can skate hands-free, no app or remote required. What's more, Spectra's futuristic AI learns your movements over time and adjusts to give you the smoothest and safest ride possible.
If you can walk, you can ride Spectra.
Controlling it with your feet to go forward and to brake.
Let's take a look at safety. When your child or significant other rides through traffic, you want more than a performance. You want a promise. Spectra's 4-point security technology covers As for portability, ride to work in style and store it in the commuter backpack that's already won the Red Dot Design Award for compact sleekness.
Though it's the world's most portable personal vehicle, Spectra delivers a solid 90 minutes of ride time at 15.5 miles per hour.
What do we need to make Spectra a reality?
We're backing Spectra because it's the most intuitive and exhilarating personal vehicle we have seen to date. Now we need a little love from you so the retailers know that the time is right. If you're ready to put Spectra on the market, pre-order the Mini, Advanced, Pro, or Silver at a backers-only discount.
That's insane. Let's do one more.
Looks like they're charged. The first thing it told us to do in the directions that I read were put them down like this to get them calibrated. So this puts it into like calibration mode. They're calibrating right now. Look how pretty. One thing it did say is not to touch the wheel. Only thing I want to do is touch it. But look at me, I'm not, I'm being safe. Calibrate good times, come on! It is powered on and parked on the ground. Standby mode. And then it goes into balance mode when you slightly tip it. So let's see. Let me put this on because...
I'm gonna shut the door so Maddie is hidden.
Yeah, no
I don't want him
pets.
to get run over.
I'm doing it, I'm doing it. Oh my goodness. When they, okay, so I'm a little unsteady because your legs, it's weird, it's weird. How do I even explain? Oh God, there's a carpet over here.
There's a carpet.
So my legs are doing something. It's like my legs are not communicating with not only my brain, but with each other. I'm not sure how to explain it because basically you just move your feet and like it goes that way. I mean, the thing is, I've used the Segway Ninebots before, I've used the hoverboards before. The one thing I never really tried, although I did give it a shot, was the RocketShoes. Those were incredibly dangerous because they went so fast. Whereas this is different because you're not actually strapped into it. Your feet are free. They're free. Your feet are free. I'm gonna need to clear out all the furniture in my house now. I don't know if I'm street ready. I should probably just do hallway first. Whoa, my legs are spreading apart. I did not want that to happen. Like, that's the thing is when these kind of get like this, like you gotta really use some muscles to sort of like force your legs back together. I'm all geared up. If you're wondering why these may look a little bit tight, it's because they're children's. Safety first. The handle is actually quite handy. All right, let's go. How's my posture? It sounds like I'm on a spaceship. I'm not ready for full speed yet. Like, what if one leg decides to do something else? I think this is as fast as I can go. I don't think he's home. Matt, I have been ringing your doorbell for like 15 minutes.
What are those?
So far, so good. But I came to visit you. I was like, I want to know what Matt's doing.
Hello.
Hello, nice jersey shirt. That's nice.
Oh, thank you. Can I try? The fact that you have elbow, knee pads, and a helmet though.
Oh, this is for my skateboard days.
Camo as well. Seems like a very distinct thing to do.
Oh, yes. Okay, so now that they're balanced, you basically just hop on. What are my legs doing? Okay, so we found Matt. Now we're gonna go find Ed and we're gonna cruise around in the parking garage. Now I'm gonna get some really cool slow-mo shots to make it look like I'm really cool.
I'm about to go where nobody goes, and you're about to be where nobody's been, and it's about to seem impossible. And it feels what nobody shows, and you're about to see what nobody's seen, and I'm about to give what I've never given you before. And it feels so good, it feels so good. It feels so good, it feels so good, it feels so good. Are we going to do what's never been done? And are we going to meet the moon or the sun? I wonder if you do you understand? It feels so good, it feels so good.
Interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.